So every developer's dream is to ensure that their code is bug free, have an error free code that runs smoothly. It's a delight for every developer, and this is more important when you are a team member, and everybody in your team uh, drops cool codes. Then yours is bugged. No, you wouldn't like that. Sometimes your code may run smoothly and still have some bugs. How do you ensure that your code is perfectly okay after a series of debugging and stuff like that, and even after running the code? Now, let me show you a simple trick that you can use to ensure that you have an a code that meets industry standard. Let's go. I will Let me do this experiment with just one of my codes. Let me find the code. I have this file somewhere. Let's try this index code. Read code. See, it runs smoothly, no error, nothing. But then let's see this. Hmm, let's copy this code. No, if you want to test whether this code is absolutely error free, this is my site. Let's try this platform validate validator.w3.org. We enter the code. This is the website Markov Validation Service. Here you have three ways to validate your code. You can validate by URL, validate by uploading a file, and can validate by entering a direct input. URL is for if you want you want to validate an entire website, the complete website already live. But since this code is still on my laptop, no, I've not launched it, so I don't need to validate by URL. I can use the file upload option. Let me show the file here. File is the index file. So I have the file here. Then I can check my file. Check the file. Okay. Says no error. Let me introduce a simple error. Let me save this file and run it again. Now there's an error there. There's an error. Now, despite this error, let's see if the code will still run. The code is still okay, but there's an error. There's a bug. So the validator now has shown us where the error is. According to the validator, we have the error in line 18 column 9 to line 18 column 46. So this is my VS code. This is my code editor, and this is our line 18. You have our the anchor code. The anchor code with this. We have the type button class. No, this is the error. The error is type is equal to button. Why? Because an anchor tag is not a button, cannot be a type of button. So that is why it generated an error. Let's do this now. The error has been edited out. Let me resave this work. Then we go back to our validator. Here is the validator. This is the validator. Go back to the validator. We shoot the file and check again. So it is done. So that is how to check whether your files are okay. Now, if you can check a section of your code, let me check this head section. You can use the direct input to check a section of your code, not the entire file, just a section. Come here, this the code, then I check. I have two errors. Column 1 line 1, column 1 line 1. I think it is the same error, and this is the warning. This is what I'm getting. This is warning. So I need this at the beginning of the code. It is there. I don't know. So it is there. Checked. So this is how to validate your code before you submit it or whatever you want to do with it. So If you like this code, if you like this, if you have learned from this short video, you can follow my YouTube channel, BSAT Technology, and you can as well like this page, share the video, and comment whatever issues you are having with your code that you need assistance on in the comment section. So I'll be there. I will check everything, and if there's a need for me to do another video, I will do that. Thanks for watching.